Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. So I have coffee making in the corner here. That's what you hear in the background. I'm gonna make an omelet today. I'm gonna be using some baby spinach. You can see. Turkey bacon, freeborn brown eggs, large. And I discovered a new cheese. This is the Good Planet Foods plant-based mozzarella cheese. I literally eat this out of the bag. Like, that's not me and dairy cheese. Like, we don't, dairy-free cheese, we just don't do that. But like this one, I literally was eating it out of the bag the other day. I'm also gonna put a little bit of onion in my omelet. Oh, and then for this, I use the Earth Balance soy-free, dairy-free butter. So let's cook up some of these first and go from there. A pan over here. And for coffee creamer, I use the Natural Bliss plant-based half almond milk, half coconut cream. And it's unsweetened, so it's really, really good. I don't like sweet coffee. I've really changed the way that I like coffee, so I'm just gonna take this, put it right in the package actually. And hopefully you guys can see this a little bit. I'm gonna cut about this much. And I'm going to fry up this much. So I can do little bits in there. I can do it on the side, all that sorts of stuff. Let's just turn the heat on and get cooking. And the great thing about turkey bacon is that it still cooks the same as regular bacon. It's just much healthier for you because it's turkey based. So it's less fatty, but it's really, really good. I'm gonna get a coffee cup. I'm actually gonna get 2 coffee cups, so I need to scramble my eggs. Okay, so I just opened this today, as you can tell. I made myself 4 cups of coffee. I don't know if I really need 4 cups of coffee, but I'm really feeling 4 cups of coffee today. I put a lot of cream in, so don't judge me. Pour my coffee. I'm going to do a little bit of vanilla almond milk just to give it a little bit of flavor. This is the Almond Breeze vanilla silk milk. Soy milk? Almond milk? Almond milk. A little bit in here. New Naturals Pure Liquid Vanilla New Stevia, alcohol free. Looks like this. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3. I put this in one of my smoothies one day. Oh, so good. Taste. So in my not coffee cup, this cup I'm going to grab some pepper, some salt, and I'm going to do 2 eggs. And these are the, as I mentioned, born-free pasture-raised organic brown eggs, and they are the large ones. So, I actually use these for my egg cups, and I use all 6 of them in the container, and they make 12 egg cups. It opens like 3 ways. It's so stupid, but grab 2 of these. Actually, I'm gonna grab a little bit of unsweetened coconut milk to make it more fluffy. Just organic coconut milk beverage, unsweetened. This literally has no flavor at all. That's why I have to pick it up. I use this for making mac and cheese and make my eggs fluffy, all that fun sorts of stuff. To mix this together. I always stab both the yolks and then start mixing. So. Okay. I'm going to flip my bacon over. I'm gonna use a spatula. I'm gonna grab my spinach and start chopping. Now remember that when you cook spinach, it wilts down to like this much. So it may seem like a lot, however, it's really not. Okay. I'm gonna grab a decent amount of a handful here. Drop some on the floor. And I promise cooking videos are coming. It's just kind of hard because like I don't know what to do with my setup. So it's like you're in a corner, smushed to the stove kind of thing. So they might have to wait till we get a house. Because like my dream in a house is to have an island. So I can just put my camera on the other side of the island and then just film everything in the middle. And then have my other camera set up if I'm like going to the stove or going to the counter for something, like a crock pot or whatever. So alright, I'm just taking this and kind of layering it on top of each other to make it much easier to cut. I'm kind of going to roll it. You can see me rolling, and then it makes it way easier to cut too. Yeah, this looks like a lot. It's really not. I'm actually going to turn my cutting board and chop this more. Because there's those little stems in there, which I actually like the stems. I don't know why, but I do. Please don't judge. And one more finely chopped cutting. Like so. And then while my bacon's still cooking, because it's taking forever to cook, which is the usual, put this to the side. So technically when I make eggs, I don't really know how to make an omelet per se, so kind of just do like scrambled eggs and call it a day. But we're gonna really attempt to make it an omelet here. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this onion, like a couple rings. I'll take this one and this one, just to give my spinach some flavor here. So I have like 2 rings here and then a couple rings that fell apart, so it's cool. I cut these really finely. Try to make you guys can see. This is a sweet medallion onion. Ugh, they smell so good. I like onions, which a lot of people don't know about me, but I actually really like onions. Alright, so there's that. Alright, time to put my bacon again. It's not as crispy as I wanted, but it'll do. If my eggs start cooking, they won't take that long. And the onions can take a little bit, so I'm gonna grab some butter. I'm gonna use the same spatula for everything because I just don't need to dirty a spatula for no reason. My bacon looks like this. It looks so good. Okay, my butter's melted. I'm just gonna grab just the onions and pop those in first. Pop them translucent before I start putting in the spinach. Spinach takes like 2 seconds to cook, so literally. Good enough right now. And a little bit of butter. Just a little bit. Okay. Gonna stir this around. And pop my eggs in. this in my butter with my onions. Turn the heat up a little bit. Alright, onions and cooking. Onions finished cooking in one pan. I got my egg going here. I don't know how to cook an omelet. I think you gotta I gotta do that. Yeah, sure. We're gonna figure it out. I'm actually gonna take my knife that I thought I was done with, but I'm not really done with yet. Set some aside to eat. And the rest I'm going to chop. Okay. Going to okay. Now I'm done with that. So it looks like this so far. I'm gonna ask it to cook. And then I'll flip it. Okay, I think I'm ready to flip this. Yeah. Okay. Not bad. Oh, Mommy got this. I'm just going to flatten this a little bit because I did put the coconut milk in there, so I want to make sure that it does cook. I like brown eggs. I need it to be browner than that. This is what I have so far. Remember all the stuff I cooked? It's literally nothing now. Yeah. Okay. Cheese ready. So good. Yeah, so this is 100% plant-based, certified, I'm sorry, 100% plant-based cheese substitute, no non-GMO, vegan. It's a something or other. No allergens, made coconut oil. So, free from common allergens, sorry, excuse me. But yeah, I've seen someone, who used this? You know what? Carly Bible actually used the So Delicious brand. We don't carry that in my Wegmans or any of my local stores, so this is the next best thing. And I made a grilled cheese with this. So good. Oh my! And it literally melted and pulled apart. It was so good. Oh, so good. Alright, that's what I want. Actually, I'm going to start assembling my omelet here. I'm going to put my cheese on one side. Put my bacon in here. I'm going to take this off and put this in here. And put some more cheese on top of all of that goodness and glue it together. I'm going to use all of my cheese. And I'm going to strategically take this and oh, guys, that looks so good. I'll show you a better picture of it. Okay, ready for this magic? Look how good that. Oh, how good that looks. All right, hold on. Okay. See that? So good looking. I might put a little bit of sriracha on here, but look at that. So good. Alright. So that's it for my Saturday morning cooking, guys. We have enjoyed it. I'm gonna eat my omelet, my bacon, my coffee, and get ready for the day. It's 10:42 and I need to leave here at 11:30. So thanks for watching, and I hope you appreciate it. I hope you appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I appreciate you watching. But yeah, see you in the next one. Bye, guys.